Lead.
2 meters, health and safety. Okay, releasing now.
Cool.
So, what have you been up to?
Rebuilt the bottom end on this one.
Rebuilt the bottom end.
Hot rod bolts,
I knew that.
big end shells. You know that? Did you want one?
No.
Main bearings, old pistons,
New pistons.
new pistons, clutch bucket,
Back brake.
no, clutch, back brake, look.
Not
small.
back brake.
Too small. The crush rubbers out the clutch. Changed a few cables.
What's that? Why is that like that?
What do you mean?
They look like that. Is that original?
Yeah, when the seat goes on, they come down to about there.
Oh, yeah.
Totally adjustable.
Okay.
I
What about this?
rewired the Norton. That's ready to go. I've got some new parts for the Triumph.
Oh, nice.
That's the rear hub that's all wrong.
Oh, for that?
Yeah, and a new speedo drive. So I've got to take the wheel out and send it down to the wheel builder.
And are you going to adjust that thing that they've done wrong?
Yeah, I'm going to have to make a new one here. Yeah.
The connection down there.
No, it's like round all that. Yeah,
And that was inhibiting the
suspension,
the bounce, wasn't it?
and
Yeah.
it was pulling on the brake hub. So I can remake all that once I've got the wheel done.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I do like this. I do like it. I love the position of it. Just feels right. I
And
think this could be a treat for myself when the next job comes in.
Right. Little Triumph 500 for you. And today, egg stock bearings, Honda Blackbird.
Front end looks a bit light.
Yeah. So, what's your job today?
Cool. So this is the CT 110, and we're going gunmetal grey on the frame, and all the plastic bits are going to be Honda red with an extra special little bit of sparkle for Christmas.
Cool.
A baby's bum bum.
Who'd ever thought it would come to this?
That's lovely. Should have worn different trousers. Can you tell? Sponsored by Vanish.
You've really made a mess, man. I think he's getting old. Oh well, this is getting tedious now.